Saving energy in your home usually means cutting back on heating or cooling. Now you can enjoy precise temperatures and energy efficiency without compromise. Because the Pro Series from Armstrong Air, including the Comfort Sync control, is the system created to put you in charge of your energy usage. Pro Series furnaces are up to 97% efficient, and Pro Series air conditioners can be up to twice as efficient as your current system. But there's more. A Pro Series system maintains a continuous communication link between your air conditioner or heat pump, your furnace, and the system's indoor and outdoor sensors. This link lets the system adapt to changes in outside temperature with small, energy-efficient adjustments to heating and cooling throughout the day, so you use less energy to preserve the temperatures you want. The Pro Series. Your environment, your way, every day. Contact your Armstrong Air dealer to learn more.